Hello and welcome back to this series of videos on electric uke playing. Today we're going to look at 5 Days in May by Blue Rodeo. I know we just did a song by them, but there's no crime in doing another one. They're nice songs, they have solid, comfortable tempos, and the chords aren't generally too difficult. It's good practice music for our 1-4-2-3 roll. But note that this song is faster than the last Blue Rodeo song we did, and we're going to work on maintaining speed in tempo. 5 Days is in 4/4 time, but it feels like an extra grace note is needed here and there on the chord changes, so that the roll is locked in with the drum beat, and so I do that. I don't do the best B minor in this recording, but it's workable. Tune your uke and let's go.
Somehow they stayed that way for those 5 days in May. Made all the stars around them shine. Funny how you can look in vain, living on nerves and such sweet rain, and loneliness that cuts so fine. Find the face you've seen 1,000 times. Sometimes the world begins to set you up on your feet again, and no, it wipes the tears from your eyes. How will you ever know the way that circumstances go is gonna hit you by surprise?